everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got an exciting video for all you content creators out there. We're diving into some YouTube tips and tricks to help you maximize your potential on the platform. Whether you're just starting or looking to up your game, stick around for some valuable insights. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. All right, let's get started. Tip 1. Catchy thumbnails and titles. First up, let's talk about thumbnails and titles. These are the first things viewers notice, so make them catchy and compelling. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts, vibrant colors, and images that spark curiosity. Your title should be intriguing and give viewers a reason to click. Remember, first impressions matter. If you still make a bad thumbnail, here is a little joke for you.
Hey TechBot, why did the YouTube thumbnail go to therapy?
Because it felt a little cropped out of the picture. Bad joke. Okay, back to the track. Tip number 2 is engaging introductions. Once you've got viewers in, keep them engaged with a strong introduction. Be energetic, authentic, and get straight to the point. Capture their attention in the first 15 seconds to hook them for the rest of the video. A captivating introduction sets the tone for the entire viewing experience. Now, engagement of audiences is very crucial for increasing your channel's watch hours and, in turn, your revenue. Tip 3. Consistent branding. Consistency is key on YouTube. Establish a cohesive brand across your channel by using the same color scheme, fonts, and logo in your thumbnails and channel art. This helps viewers recognize your content and builds a sense of trust and familiarity. Tip 4. Playlists for viewer retention. Boost your viewer retention by creating playlists. Organize your videos into thematic playlists to encourage viewers to watch more of your content. This not only improves your channel's algorithmic performance, but also provides a seamless viewing experience for your audience. Tip 5. SEO optimization. Now let's talk about search engine optimization, SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to increase discoverability. Think about what viewers might be searching for and incorporate those terms strategically. This can significantly boost your video's visibility on the platform. Number 6, engagement and community building. Don't just post and forget. Engage with your audience through comments, likes, and shares. Building a community around your channel is crucial for long-term success. Respond to comments, ask questions, and make your viewers feel like they're part of something special.
Okay.
Tip number 7. Analytics for growth leverage. YouTube analytics to understand your audience better. Dive into metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. Use this data to refine your content strategy and cater to what your audience loves most. It's a powerful tool for continuous improvement. Tip number 8. Ask for feedback. Actively seek feedback and show that you value your users' opinions. Incorporate user suggestions when possible, demonstrating that their input has a direct impact. In this way, users will feel personalized and your channel's overall engagement will increase. And there you have it. Some essential tips and tricks to master YouTube as a content creator. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so be patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun creating content. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy creating! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!